brothers, Bishop Shri M.A. Daniel Garu, Shri William Kumar Garu, Reverend Stephen Garu, Reverend Anil Garu, all pastors, pastorate committee members, all my colleague police officers. First of all, on behalf of entire Hyderabad City Police, I express my gratitude for the blessings which the entire City Police have received today. Friends, Christmas is approaching and we all celebrate Christmas with lot of joy, lot of happiness, and also good wishes for the new year. Life of Jesus Christ, every day of his life, every incident which happened during the lifetime of Jesus is a message to humanity for eternity. There are many things which Lord Jesus has taught us, but there are certain things which I personally find very, very appealing, very relevant now in modern times, and more for the fast-growing world. 100 years back, we all were living in villages. The concept of cities was not there much. And when we were living in villages, we all knew each other very well. We all knew the neighbors very well. Who is good, who is bad, what kind of a person he or she is, was known to each one of us. But now, when big cities are developing with population of more than 1 crore, and when every day lakhs and lakhs of people are coming about whom we do not know, who are they? We do not know the neighbors in the workplace. We do not know the neighbors in the apartment. So, during this time, I think the message, the meaning of which we derive from the life of Jesus is more important. To love a person whom you know is very easy. But to love a person whom you don't know, that is difficult. And that is why I say it is more important now to love your neighbors than ever before. Loving someone who is different from you, whose food habits are different from yours, whose dress is different from yours, whose culture is different from yours, whose language is different from yours. That is the real beauty of the message of Lord Jesus. That how we are loving everyone who are different from us. It is very easy to love someone who is similar to us. The second thing which I find it very, very inspiring is the sense of compassion. Jesus has mentioned a lot about this, that how humanity, human being, cannot be complete unless and until there is a sense of compassion. I remember a few months back I had read a small article. I thought it is a very right occasion to share this. You know, in the early 50s, 1950, something like that, the neighboring area of India in the north, Tibet was occupied by China, and lot of monks, they were taken into captivity, and much later they were released. So this is, I read it in an interview of the Dalai Lama. He had mentioned in one of the interview that one particular Buddhist monk who was in prison for 5 years in a Chinese gulag. Gulag is a place where they were taken for imprisonment. And after spending few years in that prison, he was released and he came to meet the Dalai Lama. So the Dalai Lama was asking him about how his life was in the prison, what all happened. So he mentioned about all those things which were happening in the prison, the punishment, the torture, so many things. Both of them were very serious, very quiet. Dalai Lama asked him a question. Did you get scared at some time? Did you get that feeling of fear at some time? The monk replied that yes, Your Highness, on 3 occasions, I really felt very scared. The Dalai Lama asked, what were those occasions and why you were scared? He said that the monk replied that he was scared that because of the torture which was being inflicted on him, he had the fear that he should not or he may lose compassion for those Chinese. Imagine, this is true humanity. He was not scared of his life. He was not scared of death. He was not scared of the pain which was being inflicted on him. But he was scared that he may lose a sense of compassion for those people who were torturing him. This is humanity, my dear sisters and brothers. This is what we exist for. And I think one of the last words of Jesus was when he prayed to the God that forgive them as they do not know what they are doing. This is something which is more relevant now than ever before. And that is why I always appeal to all my police officers, I always appeal to all the citizens that the universe, the earth is such a blessed place where Jesus walked and conveyed his message to all of us. Let us follow his message and try to make wherever we are a better place to live, a happier place to live. Thank you so much. Jai Hind.